Alrighty then, folks. Welcome back to those of you who are revisiting. Ooh, let's see here. Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. This is what I call a new old project. Nice car. Oh boy. Last time I did this car, it got pretty much the whole treatment: strip washing, decon, clay bar, buffing, ceramic coating, blah blah blah. But it's been quite some times. I know it's been better than 6 months, and this is the first time she's brought it back to me. And there's somebody watching. And as you can even see from here, of course, it's got a fair amount of pollen on it. And oh boy. And I'll get up a little closer here in a minute, but see if I can pick it up. But obviously, hey Miss Gloria, hi Miss Gloria. She has obviously been taking this car through commercial car wash, because I can see the brush marks on it, because when I gave it back to her last time, I had removed 99% of any scratches on there. It had been wet sanded in spots, compounded, polished, and then ceramic coated. So any scratches that are on there now have come, I suspect, from commercial car washes. And there's a few spots, and the sun is so bright I can't tell if y'all are seeing that she wants me to get some of these spots off if I can, which most of those will come off pretty easily. And it's like here, somebody bumped into her or something. That's a scuff mark that may come out, but there's a few chips here that will not come out, but that should come out. I don't know. I can see it from here. I can't tell in this bright sunlight if y'all can see it, but I can see scratch marks right there from the car wash that she's been going through. And it's got scratch. This thing is scratched all over, but she don't want to worry about all that today. She don't want the whole car buffed. You can see all the pollen on there. Beautiful car, nice Lexus. But what I'm going to be doing is just basically I'm going to, ooh, look at all those swirl marks and stuff from the car washes. I don't know if y'all can pick that up. Can you see those, Gloria? I can't, the sun is so bright out here, I can't tell what y'all are seeing. I don't know if you can see those marks. Man, that trunk, holy moly. Whew. That's from the brushes in the car wash. Or maybe from them drying it off with dirty towels or something. Some scratches on the back bumper that look like, that one's really deep. Now that's the edge of the, what they call PPF, paint protection film. That's down into the bumper. Nothing I can do about those. So basically she just wants a wash and shine, and for me to try to, golly, I can see those holograms. Oh man, that's bad. Some spotting there, probably from tree sap or something. We'll remove those for her. And she also wants the inside just vacuumed out real good and wiped down. So that's what we'll give her. Looks like she might have run up against something with her wheels. Got a little curb rash there. Of course, we'll start with the wheels and tires, as I always do. She's not interested in having the engine bay done. I think I did the headlights last time, and there again, they're scratched. And that's from the brushes on the car wash right there. I don't know if y'all can see those scratches, Gloria, but that's from the car wash. Brushes from the car wash. Dirty brushes, dirty brushes doing that. Yep, the other one's pretty much the same way. if I have time. Oh man, they really scratched this one. If I have time, I'll give those some attention. Man, golly, that sun is bright. Hey, I'm griping if the sun's not shining. I'm griping if the sun is shining. Hey, Miss Glenda, I hope you're feeling better today. That's just a new old project from a regular customer, but she's let it go very long without bringing it back for me to maintenance. Been running it through the car wash, which has done damage to it, but I'm not going to be tackling too much of that. And I know her boyfriend, who just dropped it off, told me that she'd had to have the hood redone, and I can tell it's two different color paints in this bright sunlight. I don't know if y'all can see this shade. You know, the hood's one shade of this color and that fender is another shade. Pretty glaring in the direct sunlight. But other than that, it's a nice car. It's a Lexus, beautiful car, but we'll do what we can with it within the allotted budget. We'll get her looking clean and shiny anyway. There may be some underlying problems that should be attacked on there, but I'll leave those written recommendations for her when I'm done, and we'll see what we can do, guys. All right, time for me to get started on her. I'll talk to y'all later. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, or something. Make me a comment. If you got a question or an observation, or you want to know what products I'm going to use, or when I do the next segment on this car, what products I did use, and I'll probably review those anyway. But if you want to know more in the immediate response, just ask me down below in the comment section, and I'll tell you what I'm going to use. I'm going to obviously use a very strong non-pH balanced or non-pH neutral soap for both the foam cannon and the contact wash to get all this crud off of the paint that I can that way. Alright, thank you folks. I'll check with y'all later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, Miss Gloria. Bye, Miss Glenda.